Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about the meal planner guide. Now I wanted to touch on this and show you guys everything that's inside because I've noticed in the comments some of you have been saying that you did not receive one of these inside of your meal kits. It should be in the 5-day box, but there should also be a meal guide inside of the 30-day box. So if you have not received one of these, make sure that you call Nutrisystem and ask them if they can send you one, or at least send you a downloadable one. And until then, I'm going to show you everything that's inside of mine. That way you don't miss out on any helpful tips for your first week or second week, etc. So for the first page, they go over vegetables and servings. Okay, so for vegetables, obviously that is an extra add-in that you're going to have to buy. 4 servings of non-starchy vegetables per day. So 1 serving is half a cup of cooked vegetables or 1 cup of raw vegetables. I prefer raw, but you can do either or. So these are just the examples of non-starchy vegetables. If you needed examples, asparagus, beets, bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, cucumbers, green beans, lettuce, mixed greens, mushrooms, tomatoes, spinach, and zucchini. The next 2 pages are Power Fuels and Smart Carbs. Okay, so for Power Fuels, women add 4 and men add 7 each and every day, except for if you are on the Slim Balance diet, which is a 5-day box. Women add 3 and men add 5 each day. So for Power Fuels, 1 serving is 80 to 120 calories and 5 or more grams of protein. So down here it gives you examples of Power Fuels and what their portion sizes look like. Start up here, almonds is about 2 tablespoons, reduced fat cheese is 1 slice or 1/4 cup shredded, chicken breast or any other kind of meat like lunch meat or turkey breast are all going to be 2 ounces. Cottage cheese for 1% fat is half of a cup. You can do 1 large egg, you can do 1 cup of fat-free milk, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, or 1 full cup of non-fat yogurt, usually Greek yogurt. Going into Smart Carbs, women and men add 2 each day, except for on the Slim Balance, where women add 3 and men add 4 each day. 1 serving is 80 to 120 calories and 1 or more grams of fiber. So these are all the examples of Smart Carbs. You can do 1 medium apple, a medium banana, half a cup of rice, 1 cup of berries, half a cup of black beans, 1/4 cup of hummus, a medium orange, half a cup of peas, half a cup of whole wheat pasta, prepared oatmeal, I believe it's half a cup, so you make it with water, and then 1 slice of whole grain bread. And then I wanted to go into some of these extras. You should limit yourself to 3 servings of these a day. So 1 serving would be 10 to 35 calories. So these are going to be examples of extras. Avocado is 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of fat-free coffee creamer, 1 tablespoon of reduced fat cream cheese, a teaspoon of maple syrup, 1 cup of popcorn, or 1 tablespoon of reduced fat salad dressing. And then as well, you also have your free foods, so things that you can have unlimited in your plan. Usually like 1 serving equals 10 calories or less. So these examples would be broth, vegetable, chicken, or beef low sodium broth, garlic and ginger, lemon or lime juice, salsa, usually homemade salsa with not the added extra salts and sugars and all that stuff, spices like mustard, oregano, parsley, cumin, and then calorie-free sweeteners. And this page is on hydration because of course you need to drink lots of water and a healthy diet, but they also give you some other options of what you can drink instead of just water. Hydration, so you need to drink at least 64 ounces, 8 cups of water or calorie-free drinks each day. And then they have calorie-free choices like black coffee, black, green, or herbal tea, diet soda, iced tea unsweetened, seltzer water, plain or flavored. You could also have soda water like fizzy water, flavored drinks that don't have any calories or added sugar to them. Next is recommended exercise, and this is so important for those of you who really want to get into the momentum of getting healthy and losing as much weight and building as much strength as possible. What you say? You don't have anything to work out in? Well, lucky for you, I actually have a Teespring store that is full of really cute exercise clothes. If you guys want to check that out, I'll leave that in the description box down below. It's time to get moving. Physical activity guidelines recommend at least 150 minutes of activity each week of health benefits. So it breaks it down to maybe 10 minutes 3 times a day and 7 days a week for a total of 210 minutes per week. And it doesn't matter what kind of activity lifestyle you lead. So basically, like, you can be walking, gardening, biking, just walking, and then it offers the Numi app so that you can track your activities. I personally like MyFitnessPal. It just works for me, and I just think that it tracks things a lot better than the Numi app does, but that is my personal opinion. Next, this is your daily guide. So this is going to be breaking down breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, examples of what you should be eating for Power Fuel Smart Carbs. So this is going to come really handy. The examples it gives here is for breakfast. You have your breakfast entree, and then you have 1 Power Fuel like sliced almonds, and then after that you have your morning snack like 1 Power Fuel. They say Greek yogurt with cinnamon, or you can also have a shake. Then men add an additional Power Fuel. For lunch, you have a Nutrisystem entree. You have 2 servings of your veggies, and then men add an additional Power Fuel. Then for your afternoon snack, 1 Power Fuel and 1 Smart Carb. They recommend the Fuel Me Ups, but this can be something as simple as peanut butter or avocado on whole wheat toast. And then for dinner, you have your dinner entree, 2 servings of veggies again, and then men add an additional Power Fuel. For your evening snack, you have 1 Power Fuel and 1 Smart Carb again. For my evening snack or dessert, I like to have yogurt parfait, so just some Greek yogurt with some berries on top, and that usually fills and satisfies me. Last is the daily tracker, but it breaks things down a little bit differently. You get to fill everything in right here, so it'll say Nutrisystem breakfast, and then it'll say like 1 Power Fuel, 1 Smart Carb. This is where you can write down all of your days, and then for the morning it just breaks it down with Nutrisystem breakfast and your Power Fuel. You can write it down what you're going to be eating: 1 Power Fuel, Nutrisystem lunch, 1 Power Fuel Smart Carb, etc. And then 4+ servings for vegetables, your daily 3, your water intake. And this just makes it a little bit easier to make sure that you are remembering what you're supposed to be eating each and every day. Alright guys, that was it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to leave that in the comments down below. If you felt that this was useful, don't forget to give it a like so I know to make more content like this. I love you guys. I appreciate you. And I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.